Welcome to day 9. The weight of the world is often just the weight of too many thoughts. Today, we clear the space. Imagine your mind is a room. Over the years, you've filled it with the expectations of your boss, the anxieties of your coworkers, and the shoulds of society. Today, we open the windows. We let the air in. We clear the clutter. Take a deep breath and let it all go. I will say each affirmation, then you can repeat it with me. Listen as often as needed until you are completely confident and believe in yourself. Let's begin. I release every thought that does not serve my vision. I release every thought that does not serve my vision. My mind is a sanctuary of peace and clarity. My mind is a sanctuary of peace and clarity. I let go of the need to solve every problem at once. I let go of the need to solve every problem at once. I am free from the mental noise of the daily grind. I am free from the mental noise of the daily grind. I create space for inspiration to enter. I create space for inspiration to enter. I am not my anxieties, I am the stillness behind them. I am not my anxieties, I am the stillness behind them. I choose to focus only on what expands my soul. I choose to focus only on what expands my soul. My mental energy is my most precious resource. My mental energy is my most precious resource. I clear the path for my new reality to unfold. I clear the path for my new reality to unfold. I am calm. I am clear. I am focused. I am calm. I am clear. I am focused. You don't need to carry it all. Today, give yourself permission to be light. Carry this clarity back into your world. I am clear. I will see you for day 10.